We're going to go over a quick demonstration of the KarmaCollab app. KarmaCollab is a platform developed for the ECE department, and it combines the best parts of Slack, Piazza, and Zoom into one app, with special considerations for how lab classes work, for checking debugging code, debugging circuits, and having more group discussion. So we are going to go over how to install KarmaCollab from the Google Play Store or the App Store, how to create an account with your UCD email, how to add the course, how to post questions, video chat, and a lot of other stuff as well. So I'm going to start by going to the App Store. I'm going to search for KarmaCollab. I'm going to download it. And instead of opening from there, let me actually open it from my home screen. So technically, I already have a login, but for this demonstration, I'm going to create a new one. Let's call it Davis Aggie. And create account. This is the main screen of KarmaCollab. We don't have any courses added yet, so that's the first thing we're going to do. I'm going to click the plus and let me add EEC1. That is what we've been using mostly for demonstrations. And just for fun, I'm going to add EEC10 as well. So let's go ahead and add these two. You'll want to enable notifications so that anybody who's trying to help you will pop up in your notifications, so you can either see the response or jump in a video chat. So this is the main interface of KarmaCollab. You'll see that in our demo class for EC1, we have a bunch of kind of fake questions, but to kind of demonstrate the purpose of KarmaCollab. I have not posted anything yet, but let's first check out what's going on with some of these other questions. So let's check out Andre Kanosin. And you'll see that he asked, what is a resistor? People have been chatting. People have been going in and out of the video rooms. I can, chat in here and I can help him out. Or I can post a picture if I want to post a picture of, say, a circuit or something that I think would help people understand my question or help them answer theirs. Now, you can also enter a video room. And so that's the next thing I'm going to show you. So I'm going to click enter video room and I'm going to follow the instructions on the screen. So let's go to video.karmacollab.com and a little QR code will pop up. You just got to scan it. And once you scan it, you'll see in your feed here that you have entered the room. And I'm going to take off this stuff and join the meeting. Now, anybody who's interested in discussing this question, or anybody who's interested in joining in on the talk with the TA that's maybe helping another student. So if you have the same question as one of your classmates and you see a TA is going to talk to them at a certain time, you can jump in and kind of learn from that as well. And these chats these video rooms can hold as many people as you'd like, or it could just be one-on-one if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and click leave to get out of here. Now, let's say that, that person's question was answered. What will happen is that it will then go to the archive of all of the answered questions. And you can think of the archive as kind of a trending topics in Twitter, where at the top of the archive are the most popular answers or discussions. And at the bottom are the ones that maybe are less relevant. Maybe it's from a lab the week before and it's been submitted already and people aren't necessarily looking at it. And so this just helps you to sort through and see the things that are most relevant to you right now. Now, let's say you have a question. So I'm going to go on post question and I'm just going to, ask, hey, I have a bug in my code. Can we screen share, please? And post it. So you'll see Davis Aggie at the top. I have my question. Here I have a bug in my code. Can we screen share? I can click on that. I can add more details. I can add a picture if, say, it's a circuit if I wanted to. And then I can talk with my classmates. I can talk with the TAs. And if it's necessary, we can all jump in a video room together. Now, let's say my classmates are awesome. They found the solution. They helped me fix my thing. I can mark this as resolved. And once it's marked as resolved, it will enter into the archive. So next, I'm going to talk about our reward system. Now, as you're interacting with your fellow students or asking questions or answering questions, you will get points on KarmaCollab. At the baseline, just for being in here and maybe clicking in this person's question and kind of viewing the archive and stuff like that, you'll get some baseline points for that, just for using the app to help yourself through the course. You'll get more points if you're actually chatting with people, posting pictures, helping people out, posting questions, stuff like that. You'll get even more points if you enter into video rooms, have discussions, screen share, and things like that. Now, overall, what we're trying to do is get people to discuss and interact more. If you're the one helping mostly, you will get a slight edge in terms of points than somebody who is only getting help but not giving help. Now, if you want to view how you are compared to other students in the class, you can go to the leaderboard, and the leaderboard will sort you from who is getting the most points in terms of karma points for helping and discussing and being active down to the least. Now, how your professor uses these points is completely up to him. You need to ask him about that. Some professors use it for participation points, some use it for extra credits, some use it to give you fun little prizes at the end of the quarter. And honestly, even without any of those, it's just nice to help your fellow students out. That concludes it for the demonstration of KarmaCollab. You can post your questions, you can get help from your classmates, from the TAs, from the professor. You can engage on questions that your professor has posted on here and get points for the engagement. You can check the archive to see what has been answered already and get kind of quicker answers to your questions that are more relevant. And you can enter into video chats with either one-on-one with a TA, one-on-one with another student, or you can do very big group discussions to help each other, stuff like that. So good luck with your quarter and enjoy KarmaCollab.